Everyone has someone except me. Maybe I can draw a friend. Where did you come from?
Woof!
You're so cute.
Look at our drawing. Chirp, tweet. This flower is my favorite.
You
Tweet, tweet.
Bluey and you, Pico. We can be a team.
This is the happiest I've been. Woof, woof. I love you so much.
Stay close.
Chirp. I've got
Where
you.
are you? Please come back. I can't lose you too. Woof. Shh, it's okay. Pico was here. I know it. We'll keep looking. You came back! Oh, my sweet Pico. No matter what, we find our way back.
Woof.
We'll always be together.
Cheap.